Hey guys, today we're making this delicious Falooda dessert. It's so yummy and just amazing, and it's a perfect dessert for post-tarawih treat. It's super delicious and easy to make. As usual, the full recipe will be in the description box below, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram. Okay, so we're going to start off by adding the milk to a pot. And just reserve a little bit for the next step. Then you can set the pot to the side. Into a separate cup, you're going to add in the leftover milk, which is about half of a cup, and then add in your Falooda or Ghas powder. And then just mix that in really well until there's no lumps. Then you can set that to the side, and you're going to take your milk to the stove and you want to bring this to a boil. Keep whisking this and do this on medium heat so that it doesn't burn. You can add in any color of your choice. You have added in some pink color, and then just mix that in really well. Then just let it come to a boil, and once it's boiling, then you can add in your rose essence and then mix that in. Next, you can add in your cardamom powder and then your milk mixture that we've made earlier, and then just mix that in really well. Lastly, you can add in your rose syrup and mix that in, and then let this come to a boil. Next, you can add in your cream and give that a good whisk. And then you want to switch off your stove and then add in your condensed milk. And then just mix that until it's fully incorporated. Then you want to take it off the stove and let this just cool down slightly. Before you pour it into your containers, you can use whatever dessert jars you like. And then just pour it in to your jars. And then let this sit in the fridge for a few hours to set, and then decorate however you wish. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make this quick and delicious rose Falooda dessert, which is so amazing. It will definitely be a hit, and it's so yummy. It's easy to make and doesn't take much time. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.